that movie how to install a small valve for the PAX pipe for a utility sink. I will demonstrate how to cut a PAX pipe and install with using different tools, install this valve. First, what we have to do is shut down water in house. Shut off water in house. Second step will be drain water in from system. Let water go from the lower point as is possible. First I have to do put the basket to let water, if left in system, go into basket and cut approximately 1 inch from a wall. I'm going to use this type of clamps, and for that and do the same for second one too. In the same order, ring is first, cover for the wall first, ring is second, put valve on the place, and using these clamp tools okie dokie, job is done. Now we have to turn off the valve if it's open. Before opening the water in system, turning on, we have to turn off this valve to prevent flow out. And in opposite direction now we're going where? We're going to turn on water in system, in house system. We turn on water and check our valve for leaking. Check our valve for leaking. What is good about PEX? You can turn it in any direction even after installation. This is no problem. We have nicely installed everything. Is no leak, visible leak nowhere. Job is done, and it's ready for installing utility sink in this place.